You're a monkey? How monkey sounds? Hoo hoo ha ha. Say hoo hoo ha ha. Okay. Count down slide. Woohoo! Well done. Now let's go and do some water playing. Okay? Okay. Go and push button. Come over. Is it rail? Sorry. It's water?
Yeah, water.
Yeah. Water comes inside?
Oh no, it's not water. Oh, water.
Water comes from... Oops. Comes from down?
That's the top.
Top. Look at here. Look, look. There are some frogs.
Oh, so fast.
What does frog do? What does frog do?
Mommy rocks. Mommy, baby frogs. Baby.
Baby frog? Daddy frog. Mommy frog.
Let's go top. Banana's gone.
See?
Banana's gone.
What?
Banana's gone.
What's gone? Oh,
Banana's gone.
see, some frogs. Push the button. Push the button.
Oh, that's
Yeah, you can do it. You can do it.
Oh no! What happened?
Is it hard to do? Okay, let me help. No, it's not working. See? It's broken. Let's go down. Let's go down and push the other button.
Push on the button. Banana's gone.
Banana. Wow.
Banana's gone.
Banana's gone. Okay. See? There are some... Oh, this is... What is this, Ryan? What is this? What's this? Turtle.
Turtle. What's
Yeah.
this?
What's this? Fish.
A fish.
What's this? Seagull.
Seagull. What's this?
Another seagull.
Not seagull. What's this?
What's this?
Shellfish.
Shell. Good job.
What's this?
What's this? Another shellfish, huh?
Not a shell.
And what's this here?
Not a fish. Not
Wow, no, it's this big one. What's called? Daddy shark.
There's a starfish. There's a...
Ryan, this is a shark.
There's a shark.
Yeah.
That's a shark. That's a...
What's that? Look, starfish.
Starfish. Let's go down.
Let's go down. Let's go down. Run, run.
Let's go down.
Wow, see? This is iguana. What are you looking for?
Oh.
Come down. Johnny, Johnny,
Yes, Papa.
eating sugar.
Yes, Papa.
Are you sure?
Yes, Papa.
Open your mouth.
Ha ha ha.
Go, go, go. Push the button.
Plug this up. Yeah, that one's working. That one's working. You just keep filling it up, though. I filled it up to here before a little bit. It's broken, Cody. Yeah, but I don't think there's enough water in this.
What are you doing, Kayan?
No, it's got a float switch. It needs to fill up down here.
Would you like to go train station?
But there's not enough water.
Crash.
Crash? Would you like to go train station? Look, another iguana. There? See? See? Wow. Little one here. Hello.
There's cup. There's cup and cheese.
Yeah, there's not much water coming down, though. Let me block it.
Let's go train station, okay? What is not coming? It's broken. There's another one. There's another one there.
You're gonna get wet, Cody.
Would you like?
Ready?
Yeah. Would you like to push the button? Go. Go over and push the button.
That's a smoky.
Yeah.
Come in here, Cody. Cody, come right. Okay, ready?
Smoky.
Yeah.
It's smoky.
The water is not working up there.
It's smoky. Smoky top here.
Yeah, I had to push that one up from underneath it. No, it doesn't work though because that wheel seized. So it's like it's so stiff.
It's coming.
Train's coming. Oh no, train crashed.
So is this wheel, bro. So is this wheel.
Say bye.
Bye. Traino.